So Premiere works by linking to the assets that you're using while you're editing, whether it's video files, sound files, still image files, whatever. None of them are embedded in this timeline workspace. It's just linked to the actual files on your computer or thumb drive or whatever. But if you move one of those, like say I'll just take this one here and I decided to move it for some reason, whatever. Premiere is going to lose its connection to that clip, right? And suddenly we get this box that popped up. It said locating media. We have this very scary red thing. Here, let me close this so we can see that exact message. Here we go. Media offline in a bunch of different languages. It's showing up as red in our composition because it's letting us know, hey, look out, that thing is missing. Here we have the question mark to the file, like where is this file? All right, so if this ever happens to you, that means that you've moved one of the files. You've either moved it to a different spot on your computer, or the worst case scenario is you thought you didn't need it and you deleted it. In that case, you're out of luck and you've got to go film again. But in this case, I just moved it. And so I could either relink through here in the bin, in the project window, or just relink straight from the timeline. So I'm going to do here. So I right click and I go down to link media. Link media pops up. It's got the clip name, the file name, and then where it is expecting to find it. So there's the file path for me. Yours is going to be different, of course. And so we have a couple of choices. We could tell Premiere, hey, it's offline, like don't look for it anymore. It's not here. Or we can say locate. So let's go ahead and click on locate. And it's going to go to the last place it thought it was. And so I know that I've actually just moved it out a file. So let me back out one click. So I know that I've only moved it out to this don't use folder for the sake of this demonstration, but you'll have to navigate to where that clip is. Or you can bring that clip and put it back where it was and then navigate to that. So I'm going to go to this folder. That's where it is. It has this option here, display only exact name matches. That's helpful. Unless you're purposely trying to link to a different piece of footage. So anyway, so there it is, and hit OK. And now it's happy again, and you can go on editing. Just for the sake of doing this, again, say now, I've decided like, oh wait, actually, I do want to use it. I don't want to have it in this don't use folder, or I don't want to have it in its new location. I've linked to it in the new location, but I would actually just like to stay more organized. So I'm going to bring this back into the folder where it was. I'm going to get rid of that don't use folder. And now when I go back to Premiere, it's confused again. But since I moved it into the same folder that all the other clips were in, it searched that folder first and it found the clip. So it was able to relink automatically. All right, so that is how you relink media that has become unlinked in Premiere's eyes. So if it lost a clip and it didn't know where that clip went, we've gone through relinking and locating. To summarize, you right click on the clip and you would select link media. It is currently not offline, and so I don't need to link it.